Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Super Bowl's coming up and I love watching movies too, and nothing better than homemade fries. I just love homemade fries. We did two different versions, one in an air fryer, the other in the oven. You can deep fry them too. It turned out incredible. You're gonna love them. Lots of spices, paprika. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. So what I've got here are some white potatoes. You can use a potato of your choice. And I'm just going to slice them into French fry wedges. Size is entirely up to you. You can do skins on, skins off. I like the skins on, just gives that rustic effect. So after we've cut these, I'm going to place them in a bowl of cold water for about 30 minutes just to get the starch out. Okay, after about 30 minutes, you can see there's a lot of starch in there, so I'm just going to drain the water off. So I'm going to grab up a paper towel and just kind of dry them off, just to get that moisture out. That way they won't be soggy. Once we have them dried off, it's time to spice up our life. So I'm going to add in just kind of a drizzle of olive oil. Of course, some salt. And the one I love so much, pepper. And the star of our show, some smoked paprika. This is going to be so good. Take my magical spoon, and we're just going to mix this up. And if you need a little more spice, go ahead and add it. So I'm going to do these in a couple of ways. First way, I'm going to place them on a baking pan, and we're going to bake these at about 425 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. And you want to make sure you have a little bit of space here between them so you don't overcrowd. Alright, the next batch is going to go in our Omark air fryer, which they generously sent to me. Fantastic product. I mean, you can deep fry them, but I think this is a lot healthier. So I'm just going to pull this out. The basket is removable. Place my fries in. Okay guys, and I should add, if you got a few extra bucks and you want to live a little healthier, an air fryer is well worth the while. Now you can adjust the temperature here, and I'm going to set this about 350, 360, and the M here stands for the preset. So you got a few different options here. You got steak, fish. Over here you got some homemade fries, shrimp, donuts. They can do just about anything with this thing. Also, it comes with a booklet of really cool air fryer recipes. Okay, so we're going to set our homemade fries to 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Press the button, and away we go. This thing is so cool. So for more information on this product, I'll put a link in the description section. Check it out, take a look, and see what you think. After about 25 minutes, let's take a peek inside the air fryer and just look at these. Don't they look incredible? Wow. And I'm just going to transfer these into our basket. And look at these guys, the air fryer version. They're nicely done, beautifully golden brown, crispy, absolutely fantastic. And our baked guys are nicely done too. I don't think they're quite as crispy, but they look good. And there you have it, our homemade smoked paprika fries. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's give these a taste test. Now this is the air fryer version. These are so good. They're crispy. I love the spices. And they're great for watching movies, and Super Bowl's coming up too. All right, let's give the oven version a try. They're good too, but they're not as crispy, but still good. Deep fried would be good too. I just love them. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Tons of recipes galore over there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. See you next time.